So over here you can see that I have this PDF file right here, and if I were to go ahead and open it, you can see that it actually asks me for password, and only when I enter out the password it goes ahead and unlocks out the PDF file. But if you want to go ahead and remove out the password from there, over here in ILovePDF, you can go ahead and click on Unlock PDF right here. Then you can go ahead and select the PDF file that you want to go ahead and unlock right here. And then you can go ahead right here, enter out the password when it asks right here. And then what you can actually do is simply go ahead and click on Unlock PDF. So once you do that, what happens is that you get the unlocked PDF right here. And once you download it, what happens is that you can go ahead and save this out. And now you can see that this is an unlocked PDF. And then you don't need to go ahead and enter out the password anymore. So that is basically how you can go ahead and then unlock out PDF file in ILovePDF. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe